That's what we do when we do an install and it's successful now. We okay, yeah. Alright, cool.
Okay, we got it.
Yeah. Remote start cuss. Blah, blah, blah. Remote start. Chevy Camaro. It's got the 2014 Stingray engine in it. He got it at he bought it from a guy that owns a Honda Civic. The guy didn't want the motor no more, so they did a little swap or whatever. Now the 02 has the 14 engine. We're gonna make this one start. Like all the rest of them. This is actually another customer off DFW Auto Market. And once again, I can't thank the guy at DFW Auto Market, the guy who created it on Facebook. Man, I gotta catch up with you one day, man. Take you out to dinner or something, because you are bringing money into the shop like stupid crazy. So I actually owe you. We're gonna make this one start. There he is. There's too much more that can be said on the video. We've done tons of cars, more than I can name. Not everyone make it to the videos. When it's slow like this, right now it's slow, but let's start coming in. Oh, it don't matter, make it. Your phone can ring in the video. Get him. Yeah, see? This is his car. So when the video show up, he be like, yeah, that's my car. That's me in the video. He show his brother, he show his dad, he show his mom. Show people out in Duncanville just how we get down. So we're gonna cut this one as well. Most start on Camaro. Let me turn it off. And now it's off. It's not magic.
There's nobody in there too.
And just open the door, turn the radio off. There you go. Just a little hard work, just a little bit. So we're gonna cut this from J10 Auto Impressions. We tied, and guess what?
We out.
There you go.